Well, it's a little bit horrible and cold and rainy and wet outside, so we're going to do some little jobs inside. This is one of them. Now the cover was broke on this, so we've bought a new one. We're going to slot that in there after a good clean. Hello. And then we've got this one, which the net had broken on too. So we bought a completely new one of these, as you'll see as we're doing it. Another thing I'm going to do today is, I recently discovered that this isn't just a gas heater, it's actually an electric heater as well. We've only had the thing 12 years, so come on, give us a chance to work things out. And apparently it works by using this thing here. So we're going to have a go at that. I think it's that one there. Sorry if it got blurry. So let's see how we get on today, and then back to the outside work when the sun finally shines. It's not looking very sunny though. Let's get on with it then. So we're going to take this out and we're going to fit a new one. So you just open it up and it should just pop out of these hinges. Look at the hinges. So let's have a look, see what happens. It's a bit tight. There you go, it sounds painful but it's out and it's not broken. So we'll give it a clean up there. We'll put the new blind thing in and then just pop it back in. Simple as that. Right, so we've got it down and we need to take out the old blind which was all knackered and broken, and we're going to put in this new one. So we just pop open this clip. That came out remarkably easy. And he's the old blind. And the bits that broke off the end, it wouldn't repair, they wouldn't stick on, they were broken. So what you've got to do is, you've got to press this button in here and it'll just pop out. You might need to use more than just your nails. So I've just got a little pair of scissors. Just pop it in. It's a bit difficult when you're trying to keep it close to the camera. There we go. There we go, he says that didn't work. So we'll try and pop the other side in. That's done it. That's popped it out. So I'll keep this as a spare, I think. Pop it in there. So here's the new one. Let's see how easy this goes in. Put that in there, make sure you're going the right way. I actually have a brand new one here next to me that I can copy from. So I'll pop that in. So we've got it popped in one side, push it in so it fits down into the hole. There you go, it's popped in. So what we've got to make sure now is that this goes through here. Yep, that's working right. And then we pop this back in, making sure that the ridge goes to the back. Nice and easy. Just bend it in. And there you go, hey presto. Works and everything, apart from it's not going back very good. But it's better than it was. And that clicks into there, so Right, let's get it up into position. Another nice new bathroom blind. Still not happy about this not going all the way back. Maybe it needs a bit of silicone spray or something. So there you go, we've got it all repaired. It's working to the best of my knowledge, to be honest. It's not going back in properly, not as much as a new one, but it'll do for now, and I'll have a little look later, see why it's not. I think I've done it right. Anyway, let's pop it in and have a look. So as it came out, the same thing, located onto the hinges, give it a firm but not too crazy. I don't want to break it like I broke the hubcap store. And there we go. We have a working blind. Just have to be careful with that. So I think I've discovered why this doesn't go back in properly. Not happy with it at all. So let's have a look. Let's see. Pop this out. Take this back in. The best we can. Without damaging it. Sorry about the noise, by the way, but this is why we're working inside, because it's absolutely pouring down. Need to pop this out again. It's a little bit tricky. Just pop out. So, what I believe is happening is, like this. Let me see. This needs winding up. Give it a wind. And you can feel it's a spring, it's trying to go back the other way if you loosen it. So I'll give it a bit wind till it's tight. And you see the flat end, so when that goes in the groove in there, it will stop it turning round. Hope you can see on the camera. If you let go, it unwinds, which is what just happened. So we've popped it in. Keep hold of the other end. Pop that down. Bring it through. Yeah, it already feels a bit better. Pop that back on. Let's have a look. Oh, substantially better. There you go, we've worked something out. I'm happy with that now. Let's get it back into position and see if it works upstairs. Upstairs? Let's see if it works back in position. Right, so we're popping it back in. Quick shove and a push. There we go. It's in. Let's give it a try this time. Oh, well, I'm substantially happier with that. That's a much better product now. Brilliant. You can see that it's a bit grubby there, but that's on the outside. I think it is. Actually, that looks like it's on the inside. So, anyway, that's not the job for today. That's a job for a sunnier day when we can open the windows. So you can see it was completely knackered. The mesh had gone. Not a wire mesh, is it? What's it called? A netting, like a netting to stop the flies from getting in. That had gone completely. So we'd been and bought a brand spanking new one. Let's take the label off, I think. £29 it was from Auto Plus UK, which is in Norton, which is in the northeast of England. Of course the sticker's not coming off very good, but I know just a lady who can get that off at a later date. So as you've seen with the other one, nice and easy, it'll just pop into place. We've cleaned all the inside, apart from that bit there. Pop it on the hinges, and it should just pop on. He says, hey presto, brand new, working blind. I'll see how the new one goes back. I don't know why the other one doesn't. Not sure, but I'll work it out. There you go. So if you enjoyed the video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for us. Cheers. Catch you next time.